should physical education be mandatory in schools? I say yes.
Why?
Because it promotes a healthy lifestyle in kids.
Okay, but not every kid is the same. So what happens is...
Says the asthmatic sick kid.
I'm gonna play the asthmatic kid card. Because if you're an asthmatic kid and then all of a sudden, you know, my gym teacher, he'd make me run around the field on like pollen like season. That is like the worst thing in the world.
So your allergies as well.
Yes. So you're like,
you know those, what's it called, bubble soccer or whatever it is?
Yeah,
you should have just been in one of those.
Yeah, I tried that. That did not work for me. I hit a wall.
It's good. I think it should be mandatory. It promotes a healthy lifestyle as well. It teaches kids good sportsmanlike conduct.
Please, they're not even actually counting any of the scores. There's no winners, there's no losers in sports anymore.
There should be, because then they're cutting kids off at the knees with that, because it's very important, because life, there's winning and losing.
Of course
and
there is. So really, you're saying that you want to enforce the sports, and then when they're enforcing the sports, they're not even enforcing if there's winners and losers. So what are we teaching our kids?
That's a separate topic, though. That's a separate topic from should it actually be mandatory, and it should.
Yeah, but you have to keep it as a whole.
Studies also show that if kids have a break of physical activity during the day, helps them be more productive in schoolwork.
Yeah, but not everyone is the same. We're just trying to put everyone in this cookie cutter thing.
So then it should be personalized more to the kids that you're doing, but it still should be a part of it.
So then what happens? Then we don't even have enough teachers for that. Like, what are we gonna do? Each one's gonna get a personal trainer, and it's like, here's your plan for the day, and then just walk around like, you are very asthmatic.
Do you not remember?
I'm gonna give you a bubble.
Do you not remember the tent? How fun was that?
Yes, in kindergarten. We're not talking about kindergarten. People don't get beat up in kindergarten. They get beat up when they look like they're like literally their allergies are like getting these tears. So you're literally like running with tears, and then you're like asthmatic. Yeah, that's not cool. That's not cool. It's never cool.
You know what? It creates those healthy habits that they then take into adulthood. Because adulthood. Obesity is one of the main causes of health problems in North America. So encouraging kids to be active makes a big difference.
Instead of just talking about the physical activity, let's just talk about what they're eating.
Then
so let's go like right
too.
into, you know what I mean? Like, oh, let's just, let's keep having them eat donuts, but yeah, it's okay. We're gonna make them run across the yard.
No, that's why nutritional education should be a part of the physical education as well, because they go hand in hand. But guys, tell us what you think. Hit us up at Marc and Mandy Show. Marc had a little bit of fun. He got to be a bartender for a day.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.